Hi, my name is Anna Ishu and I teach the Professionalism and Internship class at American Canyon High School, and I'd like to introduce you to my Student Achievement Award recipient, Malachi Finn.
The College and Career Readiness course has been an informative and very valuable course to say the least. I took this class with the intent to learn real-world necessities that would allow me to be college and career ready. From resumes to interview skills to financial intelligence and even filing taxes, our workload enforced the reality of adulthood. I wanted to set myself up for success by taking advantage of learning opportunities such as this internship. So the news that the second year would consist of an internship shifted a gear in my mindset. I couldn't miss the opportunity to gain first-hand experience in my desired career. I plan on becoming a marketing manager with a master's degree in business administration marketing. I am starting this journey participating in a paid marketing management internship this semester with the marketing director Ann Elkin of the Meritage Resort and Spa and VISTA Resort.
Hi, my name is Chuck Peckinpah, and I'm the Sustainable Construction Technology teacher at American Canyon High School. And I'd like to introduce you to the 2019 CTE Student Achievement Award winner, ELIANA EBSTEIN.
I knew that I enjoyed making things with my hands, but I'm no artist. So I chose construction when I entered high school. I found that I enjoyed building and creating different things. At home, I became the family handyman, helping my family fix furniture or the fence. This class is all about trying to prepare students to be ready for the real world. Quite a number of people from different trades come into the class and give us a basic summary of their job. We also go on field trips to see showcases of the different trades. So I often ask myself if this field is right for me. I have considered becoming a draftsman or an architect. All those fields are appealing to me, and hopefully I will choose one of these careers by the time I graduate.
Hello, I'm Chef Alan Calhoun. I would like to introduce you to Farm to Table's Culinary 2 Student Achievement winner, Lydia Benton.
I've always been interested in culinary and its involvement in creativity, science, and sociability. As a second-year student, I know it was an amazing choice to join culinary my freshman year. Dissimilar to preparing simple foods as in a cooking class, Chef Alan has helped develop skills that prepare futures in the culinary field. Some include catering gigs, working in stressful environments, and accepting criticism, yet growing because of it. This CTE course introduces various skills supporting my career and college choices. I have undergone successful testing for a food handler certificate, created resumes to apply for jobs, and visited many companies that the Bay Area food industry has to offer. The opportunities given make me thankful to be a part of the program. Creating food is captivating and truly inspiring. Constructing passion into a product erupts a sense of togetherness and genuine joy in everyone. This might be my favorite part of all.
Hi, I'm Michelle Davis. I teach sports medicine, and I'd like to introduce you to my student, Alexis Jackson.
I've been a student in the sports medicine CTE program since my sophomore year. Upon coming to ACHS, I heard of the class and immediately knew that it was something I would take in the future when I was eligible to do so. I'm an athlete, and so are all of my siblings, so my main motivation for joining this program was to become more educated on injury prevention, nutrition, and how to care for myself should I become injured. This program has more than adequately prepared me for pursuing my future career of becoming a sports medicine physician by teaching me injury tests, injury taping and wrapping, and enforcing medical and anatomical language. I will forever be grateful for the learning I've done in the class and all of the things taught to me by Ms. Davis.
Hi, my name is Eric Perry, and I teach construction at Calistoga Junior Senior High School. I'm here to introduce my Student Achievement Award winner, MELCER JACINTO.
My name is MELCER JACINTO, and I came here 4 years ago from Guatemala. In Guatemala, I worked with my dad building things, so when I came here, I decided to try the construction class at school. The construction class, as well as the wood shop class, has been really fun. I have learned to take my ideas and create beautiful practical things. The class that I haven't taken with Mr. Perry have not only helped me and become a better builder, but I have helped improve my English as well. My goal is to become a professional builder, constructor, and I feel confident that the skills I have learned in class will help me together.
Hi, I'm Heather Brooks and I teach chemistry of alternative energy at Calistoga High School. And I'd like to introduce to you my Student Achievement Award winner, ANGELI AQUINO.
I started the alternative energy pathway my sophomore year when I took physics of alternative energy. I learned how to build and conduct research and design in regards to windmills, solar thermal hot water systems, and solar photovoltaics. As a junior, I am taking chemistry of alternative energy where I am learning that matter has different chemical and physical properties that can be used to generate electricity. Some examples are thermoelectric and piezoelectric energy generations, batteries, hydrogen fuel cells, metal and air fuel cells, biodiesels, ethanol, and nuclear power. Through this pathway, I have learned leadership and collaboration skills in a workforce environment that will help me with my future no matter which pathway I choose. Going on all field trips, leadership competitions, and hearing from STEM-aligned industry has helped me to become aware of all the options that are open to me in my future.
Hi, my name is Maggie Swarner, Calistoga Junior Senior High School. This is biotechnology, and I'd like to introduce you to my Student Achievement Award winner, TULLY LEONARD.
Biotech has opened my eyes to career opportunities that are in demand and of interest to me, and it has helped me connect with potential internship possibilities such as ETS, WISE, and Medtronics. One lab I've been working on is Baybeck's using PCR to detect GM foods. In this lab, I am searching for non-labeled GMOs by running PCR tests on 2 different species of papaya, by extracting DNA and using different instruments such as micropipettes, thermocycler, and centrifuge. This pathway has given me more focus on my future career and how to plan out what course I need to take.
Hi, my name is Jerry Harris. I'm the construction teacher at Napa High School, and my Student Achievement Award winner goes to ELIANA MILLER.
Exploration of the future is vital to discovering what the future may one day be. Exploring careers, relationships, options, you name it. My construction tech class has opened my eyes to potential careers and pathways in my adult life. If nothing else, it has taught me some very important skills that are very useful in day-to-day life, such as how to wire an outlet, how to tile a bathroom, or how to mud and patch up a wall. I'm fortunate to have the opportunity to take a class that can teach me such essential and practical everyday skills. I initially wanted to take the course because it intrigued me, because I wanted to see what it would be like, but I didn't realize how much this class would teach me. It has taught me how to work together with people, how to learn things quickly, how to follow instructions, and how many options I have in my future.
Hi, my name is Philip Jinsky. I teach the Principles of Engineering, Robotics, and Architectural Design class here at Napa High School. It's a CTE program. I would like to introduce you to my Student Achievement Award winner for this year, Sebastian ZEPEDA.
I've always been interested in building and creating. Through CTE, I've been able to focus my education and plan my future around mechanical engineering. I started my CTE path sophomore year by taking the manufacturing class here in Napa. Junior year, I took the second level manufacturing class and Principles of Engineering and Robotics class. I learned all types of engineering such as mechanical, electrical, structural, and even naval engineering. The robotics team gave me a professional outlet for my engineering urges, as well as a safe and comfortable place to learn everyday life skills and skills that will give me a leg up in the future. Now, as a senior in the second level engineering class, I plan on learning as much as I can before my high school career ends. This includes finishing my machine tech project I started last year and collaborating with the med bio classes to make prosthetics.
My name is Ron Solomon. I am the teacher of manufacturing and product development at Napa High School. I would like to introduce this year's Student Achievement Award winner, Juan Garcia.
My counselor recommended the pathway to me, suggesting that it would be a good stepping stone to my career. From the first day of class, I knew that I was in the right place. I was instantly hooked by the sight of all the industrial machines in the shop and the smell of cutting fluid and metal chips. Before I took the class, I was clueless about what career I wanted to pursue, but thanks to this class, I now know that I want to pursue a career in mechanical engineering and manufacturing. The class has taught me how to effectively use manual lathes, mills, in addition to creating 3D models in Autodesk Inventor. Most recently, I was taught how to use a CNC mill and create amazing, complex pieces that I can only dream of. Thanks to these skills, I was able to manufacture and design custom pieces for my robotics team.
Hi, my name is Loretta Bolding. I teach human anatomy and medicine at Napa High School. I am pleased to introduce my student for the Student Achievement Award, CHRISTINA BOTTINI.
The medical science pathway has greatly impacted my career choice. I have decided to become a physical therapist. My teacher encouraged me to gain early experience because it helps you find what you are passionate about and it puts you ahead of others looking into the same career. I began volunteering at the Queen of the Valley Medical Center in the outpatient and inpatient physical therapy departments. I've invested over 200 hours. Recently, I started a job as a physical therapy aide, gaining hands-on experience working with patients. The focus is electrical muscle simulation. In the anatomy class, I learned about the different parts of the body, which helps me with my job while trying to place the electrodes in the correct spots. This class led to me being certified in first aid, enabling me to be prepared for emergency situations and to provide help to those in need.
Hi, my name is Kent McCarley. I'm the computer science teacher here at New Technology High School, and I want to introduce my Student Achievement Award winner, OSKAR HURST.
When I was young, I thought that whoever could use a computer must have been a wizard, a super genius. So growing up, those were the people that I admired. Those were the people that I wanted to be. So when I was given the opportunity to learn those very skills, I jumped right on board. Throughout my years, I've been able to do some of the most amazing things. I've been able to create a realistic robot hand which copies the movement of your hand, a Bluetooth-controlled LED matrix, remote-controlled and autonomous robots. I programmed a drone to fly based on how much you're concentrated, not to mention the countless web, Android, and iOS apps, programmed over 4 different languages. Over these past 3 years, I've been able to learn things that I could get a job with right now. With these skills, I know I can succeed.
I'm Lisa Gottfried. I teach digital design at New Technology High School. I'm here with the Digital Design Lab students, and I'd like to introduce you to the Student Achievement Award winner for this year, Sam Sparks.
Being in Ms. Gottfried's CTE program has allowed me to fully explore my creative passions. I've always been a creative person in the past, but I've struggled in finding ways to express myself. I didn't have the skills or equipment to truly find myself. But in Ms. Gottfried's class at New Tech, I've been able to creatively express myself through mediums like film, animation, and graphic design. From the amazing training I've received and the special equipment made available to me, I've been able to direct my creativity into something tangible. When I'm older, I want to study film and work in the entertainment industry. I didn't know what I wanted to do when I entered high school, but the CTE training provided opened my eyes to a whole new industry and career path, and when I graduate, I think I'll be ready to explore that path. And yes, you saw me taking a test, and I am now certified in Adobe Premiere Pro, my favorite editing program.
Hi, my name is Randy Mendez, and I am the Agriculture Mechanics Pathway Instructor at St. Helena High School, and my Student Achievement Award winner is DEWAYNE SCHOOLEY.
Being in a CTE class has allowed me to grow as a person because it has allowed me to meet new people and made working with people of all kinds easier. I took this path because my eldest brother, James SCHOOLEY, was also in the Agriculture Mechanics program at St. Helena High School, and I wanted to follow in his footsteps. I've enjoyed being in a CTE class because it's different from a normal class, where I have sat in class and watched and listened. CTE allows me and others to experiment and learn what I want to, and to design and envision my own projects.
My name is Judy Ashwanden, and I am the Agri-Science Pathway Teacher here at St. Helena High School. My Student Achievement Award winner is ALEXUS BAUTISTA.
Taking the Agri-Science Pathway at St. Helena High School has allowed me to discover what I wanted to pursue as a career. I chose to take this pathway because I was highly interested in taking an agriculture course as a freshman and was eager to learn the connection between science and agriculture. Through this pathway, I was able to learn about earth science, biology, chemistry, and the variety of systems that exist within the agriculture industry. Through being involved in taking an agriculture course, I was able to participate in the FFA. The FFA taught me the importance of agriculture, leadership, and service. After high school, I aimed to become an agriculture teacher and teach plant science related courses. Because this pathway introduced me to a variety of different courses, I was able to discover my career while preparing me for my future.
Hi, I'm Sarah Hurdell. I'm the plant science pathway teacher here at St. Helena High School, teaching floral design, horticulture, and viticulture. And I'm excited to introduce my Student Achievement Award winner for this year, ANDREA Hernandez.
So my favorite classes in high school are within the plant science pathway with Ms. Hurdell. I took floral design, viticulture, and horticulture. I've used my floral skills throughout high school, working on events like weddings and prom, and I compete on the floral team. Then I decided to take the viticulture class and really found an interest in this area. I love learning about the grape growing industry here in the Napa Valley, and this has interested me into studying this subject next year in college. This year I took horticulture. Within this class, I really learned the physiology behind how the plants function, which has helped me deepen my understanding of both floral crops and viticulture. In addition to that, I have learned about propagation, which is exciting. Within both viticulture and horticulture, we studied soil and nutrients, and I feel this will help me greatly in viticulture studies in college.
Hi, my name is Natalie Sanchez. I am the agriculture instructor at Vintage High School, and I would like to introduce this year's Student Achievement Award, Tiffany VANNOY.
Going into high school, I could have never predicted that the agriculture program at Vintage High would change my life. By completing the 4-year animal science pathway, I have not only learned about proper animal care, soil science, and nutrition, but I continually learned strong communication, numerous leadership skills, and the importance of agriculture in our community. The last 4 years, I've had the opportunity to work on the vintage farm raising goats, sheep, and steers. FFA allowed me to grow through career development events and leadership conferences where I participated in various competitions. The Animal Science CTE pathway has prepared me for a career in the agriculture field as I am planning to attend West Virginia University to study animal science and nutrition. I will forever be grateful for all of the opportunities the agriculture program has provided me, and I hope future students can benefit in the same way I have.
Hi, I'm Tom Doherty, automotive technology instructor at Vintage High School. And I'd like to introduce Luis Mendoza, this year's recipient of the Student Achievement Award, and the first student to receive a paid internship.
My name is Luis Angel Mendoza, and I'm an intern at the Napa County Fleet Department. I'm a junior at Vintage High School. Before I start, I want to thank Mr. Doherty, Jeff, Richard, and Ron, and everyone else that made all this happen. Being part of ALEXUS at school has really opened a new pathway in my life. This internship has really helped me experience how the outside world is. I chose this path because it's a hands-on job. There's always going to be jobs in the auto industry. This class is really about asking questions and always following the teacher around. Yeah, it can be kind of hard at times and scary at first because you don't know what you're doing, but it's just like doing any sports or any other activity. The more you practice, the better you get at it. And I think that is the biggest takeaway I take from this.
Hello, I'm Coach Leach. I teach Business Pathway here at Vintage High School, and my Student Achievement Award winner is Adam Maxson.
I took business too because I wanted to make a difference and do something with my life that is bigger than just myself. The class has given me the skills to be able to start a business and run it efficiently, and I will use those skills one day to make a difference. The class has also tested the way that I learn, and knowing this information has allowed me to be able to tackle challenges that is best for me. Overall, this class is a class that has taught me skills that I will use in my life in the professional world and in my personal life. And that is why I've taken the class so seriously and why I always recommend the class to people.
Hi, I'm Mike Cromwell and I teach culinary arts at Vintage High School. And I'm very pleased to announce our Student of the Year, Amanda Garcia.
I decided to take culinary as a freshman, and I have stayed in the culinary program ever since. I had previously taken culinary classes out of school and have always enjoyed cooking and baking at home. culinary has become a huge part of my high school experience. It really opened my eyes to the real-world culinary industry. I have learned how to prepare food for catering, build my customer service skills, and cost out recipes. I plan to follow this pathway into the hospitality, culinary, and tourism management program at the Napa College, as well as studying sustainable agriculture. Creating a business plan has showed me the vital financial and marketing aspects of entrepreneurship. Mr. Cromwell and Chef Debbie have given me the opportunity to expand my range of experience by working closely to plan and administer events. Having this experience will give me a head start in future endeavors.
I'm Mr. Castillo, and I teach digital media over here at Vintage High School, and Seth Tencher is my nominee for the 2019 Student Achievement Awards.
Taking the digital media pathway at Vintage has given me many skills that are applicable to almost any career. Meeting deadlines has been the most difficult, but at the same time the most rewarding skill that I've learned here. With homework, if you turn it in late, you just lose points, but in digital media, the impacts are much larger, and that has forced me to stay on task and work efficiently and quickly. I've also gotten much better at working with other people in a fast-paced production environment. Creatively, I have had many opportunities to brainstorm with other people, which has really improved the quality of my work. Working with clients has helped me get better at collaborating with people not involved in production to shape the finished product. My 2 years in digital media have made me more creative, collaborative, and ready for the workplace.
Hi, my name is Sean Sandall, printing and graphics instructor at Vintage High School, and my student award winner for this year, 2019, is Ryan Olson.
I decided to take graphics due to my curiosity and my love for learning how to create. In this class, I have learned the basics of Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator in order to turn my creative ideas into reality. In this class, I have learned marketing techniques, improved my employability skills, how to stay organized, and with so many deadlines within the graphics industry, the importance of responsibility. My favorite part about this career pathway is that I can take a graphic that I created and print posters, stickers, t-shirts, and more for the whole world to appreciate. I can take my skills that I have learned in this class to stand out as a good candidate for my job and use my knowledge in the Adobe programs to help me in any career I choose, as graphic design is becoming an ever increasingly important industry.
Hi, I'm Brady Mitchell. I teach woodworking here at Vintage High School. I'd like to introduce this year's Student Achievement Award winner, Jeremy Bradley.
The woodworking pathway of Vintage High School has provided me with the opportunity to learn a new trade. It has opened up a creative side for me and a skill I enjoy that I can use in many ways for years to come. Woodworking has taught me about different techniques and ways to use tools to build things like butcher blocks, bowls, and furniture. After high school, I plan to go to college and major in agricultural business. Even though agriculture and woodworking are different, there are a lot of ways woodworking has prepared me for my next challenge. It has taught me how important trial and error, practice, hard work, determination, and perseverance are. It has helped me develop into a stronger person. It has given me a good work ethic and confidence that will definitely help me in my future plans.